This COVID-19 pandemic has really got everybody grounded. We can't go international travel, no domestic travel. You can't go anywhere else, in fact. Sydney has been placed in lockdown again for the last 2.5 months, and I can't even get a haircut.
Ew!
Anyway, this channel is all about the travel and lifestyle. Since I can't go anywhere else, I can only go back to some of the memories, see if I can find some footages and photos to share with you guys, which I did. This time I'm going to take you back to Dubai. I got a chance to visit Dubai a couple of years ago. My son James went there before me and then told me, said, "Dad, you should go to visit Dubai. It's such a beautiful city." Thank you, James, if you're watching. So here it is, nice footages from Dubai. No doubt Dubai is such a beautiful city. My respect to those Indians and Pakistanis who helped build this city and transform it into one of the most beautiful tourist destinations. This oil-rich country had a rapid growth in the late 1990s. For the last 30 years, it has completely transformed this desert land into the modern masterpiece. It was August, in the middle of summer, when we visited here. It's 40 degrees hot every day. It's like walking into the oven. To avoid getting sunburned, every time we go out, we have to ride the Uber, just like this one. Burj Al Arab Hotel is the symbol of Dubai. We paid a visit here. To my surprise, it's not as porschy as it sounds. It looks a bit outdated from inside. However, the view from the sky bar at level 27 is spectacular, but the weather is a bit hazy, ruins the distant views. Spending a day in Abu Dhabi is well worth it. It's only 1.5 hour drive from Dubai. The Louvre Art and Civilization Museum is an art and masterpiece itself. It's the largest museum in Arabian Peninsula. Visiting Abu Dhabi Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is an eye-opening experience. The amazing architecture and the sheer size is just mind-blowing. It can have 40,000 prayers at the same time. This German-made huge crystal chandelier looks amazing and beautiful. It was a memorable experience. The most fun thing to do in Dubai, I would say, is the 4-wheel drive desert safari. It's a 2 hours drive out of Dubai city to the desert, and it's a whole day trip.
Have mercy on all of us.
The desert is so vast you can't see the end. If you are in a hurry, just let it flow anywhere you like. At the camp, there are some paid activities like camel riding, but if you are a bit too short, it's a bit hard to get off. The sunset over the desert gives me some uncertain and unpredictable feeling. I think it's because we are in the middle of nowhere. The dancing show after dinner is the highlight of the tour. Oh my god, I couldn't believe she came and grabbed me to the stage for a dance. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see the some footages that are very beautiful footages. They are the footages I borrowed from my Dubai friends, and some footages are from my camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please feel free to browse my other videos. If you like what you see, please consider subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.